Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is some blackout curtains that you can use in your living room, your bedroom, or wherever you guys want to. So this one that we got right here is a Buffalo Plaid design. There's a lot of other curtains out there available in the market today. There's some of them that are not plaid, some of them that are plaid. Depending on your own preference, that's how you guys choose which one you guys want. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first before we actually set it all up. So when we take out the product, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like right here. So they give you guys this attachment right here. So there's two of them, one for each side of the curtains. And right here, they do provide you guys a little thank you card for the actual product itself. And then right here, we have the actual product itself. So this one is a 2-pack, so it should be big enough to cover up like a huge window. But let's open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. So this is basically what the top part looks like right here. So you just want to put this through like a curtain rod or whatever. Like I mentioned, it comes in 2 packs right here. If you can see, these are 2 separate ones here. So let me actually open up one of them and show you guys what one side would look like. So this is basically what it would look like on one side right here, which is that plaid design or checkered look to it. Also, I definitely will get that like farmhouse look to it. If you turn it on the other side, this is what it looks like on this side right here. So they mentioned how you guys would definitely get like a blackout design, but this one doesn't really have that like blackout material on this side. So we'll definitely have to set it up and see how it performs and whether or not it actually blacks out everything outside or not. And then the bottom part, it just looks something like this, if you guys can see. So it definitely has a very nice material on the bottom, and it should be easy to wash and clean as well. You have to just dump this into like the machine to wash it. The way how they designed the actual curtain itself is supposed to reflect the light back to the other direction. Supposedly for the layer that's inside the actual curtain itself, it's supposed to help you guys block out heat as well. So once you guys open this up in your bedroom, your living room, or whatever, it's supposed to block out the heat so you guys won't feel as hot in the room wherever you guys are planning to use this product. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Let me actually go test this out and set it up and see how easy it is to set up and see what it actually looks like first. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so once you guys fully set up, this is basically what it looks like. So you can see we have it set up on the top part like that. It was pretty easy for me, and it's really easy to open up and close it just like this. You guys need to close back up, pull the other way. And for the one that I got right here, this is basically how long is it. It's actually really long, but it definitely gives you guys enough coverage to actually block out the light and everything. So you definitely want to measure how long is your window and everything else before purchasing the correct like curtains and everything, because if you guys buy the wrong size, it doesn't fit, you have to return it and everything else. So you can see I have only one of them set right now. If I want to set up the other one, I definitely can as well. So let me actually set up both of them and show you guys what actually would look like if you guys set both of them together. Alright, so basically all you need to do is go like this and just keep sliding each one in. And then once you have it done, this is basically what it looks like. So I have one part done here and I have the other part done here as well. Let me put it up and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so you see that we have it fully set up now. We have both of them on, if you can see. So it's hard for me to show you guys when it's like really bright out right now, but you can definitely see that there's 2 parts. So one right here and one right here if I open it up again. So one half right there and the other half there. So I'm actually putting the ribbon now and show you guys what it will actually look like if you guys put on the ribbons. Alright, so once we put on the ribbon, this is basically what it looks like. I had to pull down the curtains to give you guys a better view of it because my camera itself doesn't work too well when it's like super bright out and the light is actually shining directly to the camera itself. Looks pretty awesome. And all you guys need to do is just open up this part right here, take this off if you guys want to let it flow out. Alright, so if I just let go like this, you guys can see that it just goes off like that. Same thing for the other side. If I just take out the ribbon like this, it just becomes a regular curtain and it looks amazing. Alright, welcome back guys. So now I saw the quick test of the product itself. You guys can see that actually does work and it works quite well. It definitely blocks out a lot of the sunlight, so you definitely don't see as much sunlight coming in. And the moment I set up the actual curtain itself, I can definitely feel the material on the actual curtain itself of everything that they mentioned in terms of like keeping the heat out and also keeping the sunlight out as well to reflect the light back outside, which is pretty cool. Especially I love the fact of how they provide you guys that little ribbon to actually hold up the curtains, and once like nighttime or whatever, you can take out the ribbon and just let the curtain come out. So that is basically everything that is on the product itself. Now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that any kind of like blackout curtains in general are super worth it. Whether you guys get the plaid design or the regular design, they all work really well. It's literally so easy to maintain and clean and everything else. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.